Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel from sugar. Begin by setting up all tools within reach and preheating a heavy pan over medium heat. Measure sugar and a small amount of water precisely and place a candy thermometer on the pan. Keep a bowl of cool water nearby for quick cooling of utensils. Stay attentive to color changes and work carefully to avoid hot splatters. Bring the sugar and water mixture to a steady boil, watching for dissolved crystals around the edges, and then stop stirring. Swirl the pan gently to promote even color development and monitor the candy thermometer if using one. As the liquid deepens to a warm amber, reduce heat slightly to control rapid darkening and prevent burning. Remove from heat promptly once the desired amber hue is reached to preserve. When the sugar reaches the target amber color, remove the pan from heat and slowly add butter or cream while whisking to form a silky caramel sauce. Work cautiously as the mixture will sputter and release hot steam, then strain if you want an extra smooth texture. Pour into greased molds or a line tray to set, or use warm over desserts. Label and store sealed to maintain flavor and texture for days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.